So these are the brakes for the E30 project. As I'm going to be doing the 5 lug swap, I've had to source different calipers. So for the fronts I'll be using E36 calipers. These are the carriers for those. I've got brand new calipers on the way to pair with these. These are the rear calipers, which are actually from an E46 or a Z4. I'll go into more detail on which calipers are the right ones for a 5 lug swap at a later date when I actually do the job. In the meantime, I need to get these calipers fully rebuilt and refinished. Let's see how we get on. Right, so that's the rear calipers fully stripped down. They're actually looking in really good condition, much better than I expected. The pistons seem like they're not scored or rusty or anything like that. The pins aren't too scored either. But best of all, the piston seats inside are looking really fine. They don't need rehoning or anything like that, just a clean up. I have got all new parts on the way before I stripped them down, so I'm going to fully rebuild them with new parts anyway, just for peace of mind. So next step is to get them cleaned up and prepped for painting, then I can get on with rebuilding.
As these calipers are so caked with rust, we decided the next step would be to run them through a bath of electrolysis. This should help loosen the big chunks of rust and mean they'll clean up really nicely afterwards. If you're interested in how to do electrolysis yourself, check out the other video on the channel which goes into more detail. I won't go into it too much here. Initially, the results of the electrolysis don't look too impressive, but believe you me, the rust comes off a lot easier after they've been through this process than it otherwise would. So finally, that's all 4 calipers de-rusted and in primer. Join us next time where we'll be painting and rebuilding and ready to go on the car. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on my colour choice there. Thanks for watching.